Okay, let's take a look at problem 2, graphing a function of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. It says, what is the graph of y equals x squared plus 2x plus 3? First, I need to identify a, b, and c. Well, a, my coefficient here is an invisible 1, b is 2, and c is 3. And so if I find the axis of symmetry, I'm going to say x equals b, negative b over 2a. So b is 2, a is 1. I plug that in, I get x equals negative 1. Now that I have x equals negative 1, I can plug this back into my original equation and find out what my y value is. And I get 2. So negative 1, 2 is my vertex, and so that's what they plugged in here, negative 1, 2. I know that c is my y-intercept. C is 3, so that's 1, 2, 3. That's my point here. And I know that it reflects about this line evenly, so there's this point here. And I also know that it's going in the upward direction because it is positive. So here I have it here. All right, so now let's take a look at this second one. Y equals, or we got it. Y equals negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 5. So my A is negative 2, B is 2, and C equals negative 5. Axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative b over 2a. So I get negative 2 over 2 times negative 2, which gives me 1 over 2. So I plug this 1/2 back in. So I get y equals negative 2 times 1/2 squared plus 2 times 1/2 minus 5. And so I get, sorry about that, so I get y equals negative 1/2, I'm sorry, not negative, yes, negative 1/2 plus 1 minus 5, and so I get negative 4.5 or negative 4.5. And so I can now start to plot my graph. So I know that my graph is at, so let's say this is, okay, so I have 1/2 and negative 4.5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, about right here, and this is about 1. So this is my vertex. My y-intercept is at negative 5, and so that's right here. And so if this is the axis of symmetry, that means that this is about right here. And I know that it's going down because it's a negative 2 or a negative a. So we can plug it into our free graphing calculator at www.desmos.com just to verify. And so I get y equals negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 5. And did I put in the, I did. So glad I checked myself. This is not negative 1/2, this is positive 1/2, so it should be over here instead. I'm going to erase this. I apologize, I'm sorry for that. I was not paying attention. So this is, if this is 1, then this is a 1, 2, 3, 4.5 is about right here. And it still crosses at negative 5, and so this is my axis of symmetry. And so that's something like this is actually 1, sorry. And that's 2, so then I'll be right here in the halfway point. And so then it's more like that. And again, my graph helped me to verify that. I see here's at 0, negative 5, 0.5, negative 4.5. Here's my other point right here. Yep, 1, -5. So I hope that this helps.